Aha!
Aha! What, Jordan?
Oh.
What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing.
Thought you caught me in my own house as an adult doing something? Grow up.
No, I didn't think I caught you nothing. Like, I was going down to get a snack and I heard you in here.
Yeah, we discussed the house rules and it's not to stop by my bedroom. So I don't know what all this was about.
No, because Sarah, what I was thinking about is like, why make up 2 beds? It doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Well, we can just...
No, Jordan, we're not going to be doing all that.
I'm just saying, like, you're down there, it's an eternity wait. Ooh.
I
You
knew
still
I
got
should
the
have
lingerie
not.
table?
Okay, well, don't get all excited. That's not for you anymore at all, Jordan.
Oh, you got some new selections, too. I thought you done with the room, though. Didn't have the mirrors when we was in there.
I added a pop of color. I have changed my life around a little bit. I had to fall clean, I guess you would say, from our relationship. So, is there...
You still got your Bible in the corner, though.
Yes, and actually you are interrupting it. I do my massages for scoliosis, and then I read my Bible, my face routine, and go to sleep.
Oh. What's this?
Actually, no, so I'm getting a whole scoliosis treatment, right? And this actually is to stretch my back. You use it and it like rolls your back out, so.
What you need that for? You got me. Like, you know, I'm a real good back roller, but show me how it works.
Okay, basically, well, I gotta tie this because it's about to get caught. Jordan, you are not supposed to be coming in my room, so just because I'm letting you and I'm showing you a little, you're not going to come in my room on other nights.
You know what I'm saying? You're saying that you
okay,
you're
well,
using this for your issues.
anyway, so this like stretches your whole back, right? So you can go down and then back up, and then it's like stretches your back and your neck. So it like helps pull your
up and
vertebrae back. So yeah, it's really good.
That's nice.
They have like multiple brands and stuff, but this is really the best one.
Diddy.
No, Diddy.
Oh, Diddy.
Yeah, Diddy, Jordan.
What about the mushroom? What does that do?
Okay, well that's not a mushroom. This is actually a hip one, and this one's my favorite because
like
basically you can do exercises on it, but also it like loosens up your hips, so you sit on it and you can go counterclockwise. And then you go clockwise. You can go like up, down, down.
Yeah, you're right.
But
it's definitely time to go to sleep. Oh yeah.
Do you want to try it? Like it's
no,
literally...
I'm good. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and take me a shower. And sorry I bothered you. And work on that.
Okay. Well, at least
does the cold water work?
It does work, Jordan.
Okay. All right. Cool.
At least you got out of my room. Jeez.